Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I would love to give you a tour of Las Cruces, New Mexico. Whether you plan to visit or you're planning a move to Las Cruces, let me show you around at some of the wonderful features this city has to offer. Let's start our tour in the beautiful downtown Las Cruces area. Las Cruces offers a farmers market and craft market every Wednesday and Saturday from 8:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is the lovely plaza and splash pad. Many events and festivals are held in this area. The downtown offers a business area as well as many wonderful restaurants and shopping, museums, and even a community theater. On Main Street is where the outdoor market is held. So many vendors show up every week with so many wonderful goods and products to sell. At the market, you can try a wonderful variety of foods from the food trucks and local restaurants. Las Cruces has 3 hospitals: Memorial Medical Center, Three Crosses Regional Hospital, and Mountain View Regional Medical Center. Traveling up University Avenue, we have the wonderful Convention Center of Las Cruces. Las Cruces, New Mexico is home to New Mexico State University, home of the New Mexico Aggies. Now let's travel down Loman Avenue. Loman Avenue is where you'll find most of the shopping areas and restaurants. The local mall is just a few blocks away. Las Cruces has 3 CVS pharmacies and 3 Walgreens pharmacies, 3 large Walmart stores, and a neighborhood Walmart market and gas station. Many banks and urgent care medical clinics as well. The Mesilla Valley Mall offers so many great shopping options and a movie theater. There are wonderful restaurants surrounding the mall that are really conveniently located. In just a minute, we'll take a look at some really great housing options. Las Cruces has many hotels. great variety of car washes, many gas stations and coffee shops, Lowe's and Home Depot, Kohl's, Sam's Club, and several area fitness centers. Las Cruces also is home to 3 United States post offices. And now, where to live in Las Cruces. These are just a few of the surrounding neighborhoods that I would recommend. Sonoma Ranch. This is the Sonoma Ranch Golf Course and Clubhouse. Gated condominium neighborhoods are available, as well as gated 55 and older communities. Now let's move on to the area of Picacho Hills. Picacho Hills is located about 6 miles west of downtown Las Cruces. It's a lovely golf course community that offers activities year-round. A golf course and tennis courts make this a wonderful recreational area to live. Now we're back in the vicinity of the Sonoma Ranch Golf Course. We are going to be touring the Pueblo's gated communities. Located about 6 miles out of town, is the community of Metro Verde. These are newer homes and homes still under construction. Many homes are available at reasonable prices in this community, also adjacent to the Red Hawk Golf Course, with lovely homes situated right next to the golf course. If you prefer historic homes, this village of Mesilla is the place for you. This wonderful, beautiful, historic town offers many festivals throughout the year. Lots of activities, including mariachis and dancing and singing. Wonderful restaurants are located around the town square as well as shopping. The annual Christmas festival is held every year in the town square, as well as a Christmas tree lighting ceremony. I am so happy you are here. I appreciate it so much. I hope you found this tour of Las Cruces, New Mexico helpful and useful. Whether you're just visiting or you're planning an upcoming move to Las Cruces, I wish you the very best. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.